Microsoft Teams can be used for free, but the available features in the free tier are very limited when compared to the other tiers. To start out, let's list the different types of subscriptions, which are Home, Business, and Enterprise. It's important to mention that within each subscription, there are several plans that include different features depending on your needs. The Home tier is aimed at individual users that just need a tool to stay in touch with friends and family. It comes with a free plan that provides group calling and cloud storage. There is also a paid personal plan that provides a lot more features, such as more cloud storage and premium versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, among others. The family plan includes a couple more features, with the main advantage being that it can be shared between up to 6 users. While in the Enterprise and Business tier, you get additional tools such as meeting recordings and transcripts, breakout rooms, integrated apps and services, SharePoint Online, Yammer, among other features. One of the most important points to remember about the Business tier is that it supports a maximum of up to 300 users. While in the Enterprise subscription tier, you can have more than 300 users. It also includes advanced security and compliance features, phone system, and additional collaboration and productivity applications. The first plan, called Microsoft F3, is labeled as a solution for your frontline workforce. It includes mobile and web-based Microsoft 365 apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and others. It includes meeting and voice features with Teams, and you can set up an add-on license for Teams Phone. It also includes social and intranet tools such as Yammer and SharePoint, though in this plan you cannot have a site mailbox or personal site. You also get file and content sharing tools such as OneDrive. The next plan, called Microsoft 365 E3, is similar to the F3 plan, as it includes the same features, but also provides you with the capability of installing the Microsoft 365 apps on desktop computers and mobile devices. Whereas in the F3 plan, you can only use the web-based and mobile versions of these applications. The E3 plan also includes SharePoint. It includes SharePoint with sites and more than 2 GB for email with Outlook and Exchange, as well as Viva Insights. And to manage, detect, and investigate threats, it includes Microsoft Defender for Endpoint P1. It also includes features for data loss prevention for email and files, as well as retention policies, litigation hold, and e-discovery features. The Microsoft 365 E5 plan provides the same features as the E3 plan, plus Teams Phone Standard and audio conferencing. It also includes advanced security and compliance features such as Microsoft 365 Defender for Endpoint P2 and Defender for Cloud Apps, as well as advanced analytics with Power BI Pro and advanced compliance management features such as risk management, information barriers, privileged access management, among others. Besides the plans we have just reviewed, we can also enhance our plans with add-on licenses. There is a huge list of add-on licenses that you can purchase, which will provide you with additional features for security, compliance, analytics, device management, and phone and calling plans. Though the ones in this slide are the ones that I consider as the most important ones, at least from a Microsoft Teams standpoint.